Welcome all. In today's video we're going to show you how to install and run Kali Linux as a Windows subsystem. Microsoft has introduced Windows Subsystem for Linux, which lets users run their Linux distributions directly from Windows 10, without dual booting or using a virtual machine. But WSL does not support AF packet, and that's because Windows itself does not support it because of security restrictions. This means that you won't be able to put a Wi-Fi adapter in monitor mode. And tools such as Nmap won't work. So let's start first. Run PowerShell as the administrator by pressing Windows+X and clicking on Windows PowerShell. Running the following command. Once you press enter, a loading bar will appear, then you will be prompted to restart the computer. Press Y and enter to reboot. After your system has rebooted, open Microsoft Store search for Kali Linux. Install Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store for Windows 10. Click Launch, and a shell will open and begin the final installation. You'll be prompted to create a Unix username and password. Now you're all set up and running a Kali Linux. Update it regularly just by sudo apt-get update. Sudo apt-get dist-upgrade. Now we install penetration testing tools Metasploit by typing sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get install Metasploit Framework. Antivirus doesn't always work nicely with tools in the Kali repository. So to prevent these errors, add an exclusion for the Kali Linux folder. First, opening File Explorer and Users, your username, app data, local, packages, and look something like Kali Linux. Add this to the Antivirus Exclusion list. So that's it for today's video. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and like. Have a nice day.